Hello, right, quick update here. I've managed to sell some bits on eBay. Had a long chat with the missus, and I've got a load more stuff on eBay, but I'm going to sell it all. Absolutely everything. So that will be, I don't know how to reverse this bloody camera. How do you do that? Oh, I don't know. Right, so it'll be the LTD. This shit ton of mirrors and stuff under there. The Midnight, I am going to put it on as one lump, but I will break it. It's about, I'd say about 90% complete. Yeah, everything. I'm going to get rid of my welder, generator, not getting rid of my tools. But yeah, just about everything else I am going to sell the lot, and then we will turn the garage into a garage. So we can put the quad in here and the tractor and all that fun stuff. So excess Midnight, anybody wants any parts? I think I've got about 8 spare wheels for the Midnight. I've got 3 or 4 spare wheels for a CX500. Yeah, I'm just looking around. I've got junk everywhere, absolutely everywhere. So that was a quick video, quick update for Wednesday, because I'm not going to get out here to do a video today because I've got a stupidly busy day. So yeah, there you go. It's all going. The whole format of my videos will change once I've got my excess done. I'm going to concentrate more on doing videos of the farming and animals and all that fun stuff. And that'll be it. That'll be me and my mechanical side permanently retired, which would be nice. So I may get myself an old car. Don't know, maybe an old Mini. Or some piece of junk in a field somewhere. And do that as my own personal project. I'm also selling all of my hydrographics film. There's about £3,000 worth. Over the week, I shall get it all out, photograph it, and I'm just going to stick it on eBay as a job lot for 1,500 quid. So, anybody in there that's into dipping that has 1,500 quid spare, bearing in mind there is like 60 metres of bloodlines, which goes at £6.50 a metre. So, I've got like 30 odd, I don't know, 20 or 30 tubes full of film, 1.5 metre film. And it needs to be gone. So there you go. I may dig out a couple of my nice spray guns and sell them. I may not. I may just keep them for myself. I'm not going to be getting rid of the compressor, because I'm going to need it for pumping up tyres and shit. But yeah, there you go. Anyway, don't know how this video is going to turn out because I'm doing it on my phone because I couldn't be asked to bring out the camera. But yeah, all right. Be safe. Be careful. Do one thing each day that scares you. I just did. Ta-da!